Alright guys, you can see the front end has been swapped with a Toyota front end, and so the factory OEM Subaru bumper comes with the car. And then when we make our way to the back, you'll see the emblem has been swapped to a Toyota, and on the interior the airbag cover has been swapped to a Toyota, so it ties it all in really well. See, that bumper looks really good. On the website I have a side-by-side of the factory Toyota bumper with the factory BRZ bumper, just so you can kind of get an idea what it used to look like. But like I said, it does come with that original bumper. Okay, and for the last part of the video is a quick visual condition report. So here on the driver's side lower rocker, we do have a 1-inch scratch right here in the plastic, and then a little one right here. We have a couple little scratches right here, but they're very, very minor. And then here on the back bumper, we have a small scratch here and here that have been touched up. So besides that, this car is insane clean inside and out. So if you have any other questions, give us a shout at Exotic Motorsports of Oklahoma, and I'll put the link down in the description. Thanks guys, and have a good one.